Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Teams.exe bad image error, and it says zlib1.dll is either not designed to run on Windows or it contains an error, and the error status is 0xc0000020. So if you're receiving this error message whenever you open this chat window which opens Microsoft Teams, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now, the first step is to repair and reset Microsoft Teams. For this, go to the Start menu, then click on Settings. Now, go to Apps. Now, go to Apps and Features. Type in Microsoft Teams over here in the search box. And over here, you can see Microsoft Teams. Click on this three dot over here and then go to Advanced Options. Scroll down. Now, first of all, we will go ahead and try to repair. So, click on Repair. Now, after the repair, you can go ahead and open this chat window over here. Click on this chat icon on the taskbar, and this will open Microsoft Teams, and that should go ahead and fix the error message. But still you're receiving the error message. This time go ahead and reset. So click on Reset, Reset. And after the reset, you can go ahead and click on the chat icon once again, and this will again open Microsoft Teams, and that should go ahead and fix the error message. Now still you're receiving the error message. In that case, you can go ahead and uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Teams. For this, go to Apps and Features once again. So open Start menu, Settings, Apps, Apps and Features, and type in Teams over here. And then click on this three dot over here, and then click on Uninstall. Now once uninstalled, restart your computer. And after the system restart, click on this chat icon once again. Click on Continue. Now this will load the Teams once again. You can go ahead and click on Get Started, enter your details, and you should be able to get rid of that error message. Now still you're receiving the error message, then uninstall Microsoft Teams once again. So go to the Start menu, open Settings once again, Apps, Apps and Features. Type in Teams in the search box. Now click on the three dots, then click on Uninstall, Uninstall. Now after you uninstall, open File Explorer on the computer. So open File Explorer, then go to this PC, open C drive, open Program Files, and then open the Windows Apps folder. Now you might receive some error when you try to open Windows Apps folder. So before we open the Windows Apps folder, we will transfer the ownership. So make a right click on Windows Apps and then click on Properties. Now go to the Security tab and then click on Advanced option over here. Click on Advanced and then click on Change over here. Now in the box, go ahead and type in everyone and then click on Check Names and then click on Add. Now put a check on the box which says Replace Owner on Subcontainers and Objects and then click on Apply. OK. Now this process will take some time, so let the process complete. Now click on OK once again and then click on OK. Now again OK. Then again make a right click on Windows Apps and then select Properties once again. Go to the Security tab once again, then Advanced once again, and this time click on Add and click on Select a Principal. Now again type in everyone over here. Now click on Check Names, click on OK, and then put a check on the box which says Full Control. Then click on OK, Apply. Again let the process complete. Now once done, click on OK. OK. Now you should be able to open Windows Apps folder. So open Windows Apps and then find Microsoft Teams folder. So scroll down and look for Microsoft Teams folder. Here you can see Microsoft Teams underscore some alphanumeric character over here. Now you have to go ahead and delete this folder. So make a right click and then click on delete. Now before you open Teams, make sure Teams is closed. So make a right click, then click on delete. And once this is deleted, close this window. Now restart your computer. Now you can click on the chat icon once again, and then it will open Microsoft Teams and you can go and start using Microsoft Teams. Now still you are receiving the error message. In that case, you can go ahead and turn off startup programs or disable Teams from startup. So go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now go to personalization and then go to start and turn off show recently added apps and turn off this show recently opened items in start. Turn this off. Make a right click on the start menu and then open task manager. Go to the startup tab, find Microsoft Teams. Now if this is enabled over here, just make a right click and disable it. So I'll just show you. If this is enabled like this, make a right click and then disable it, and then you can go ahead and use Microsoft Teams. Now the next step is to repair Microsoft Edge Web View 2 runtime. So for this, go to the start menu, then click on settings, apps, apps and features, and in the search box you can go ahead and type in Microsoft Edge Web View 2 and then click on these three dots and then click on modify, then click on yes, and then you can go ahead and click on repair. And after the repair, you can go ahead and launch Microsoft Teams and you should not receive that error message anymore. Now the next step is to uninstall Teams, delete the Microsoft Teams folder, restart your PC and reinstall Teams from this link. So to uninstall, again go to the start menu, apps, apps and features, type in Teams over here. And then click on these three dots, again uninstall, uninstall. Now go to File Explorer. Once this is uninstalled, open File Explorer. Go to this PC, open C drive, open program files, then open Windows apps folder. Now find Microsoft Teams in the list and then make a right click, then click on delete. Now once this is deleted, restart your computer. So go to the start menu, click on the power icon, then click on restart. And after the system restart, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. I've uploaded the file in my Google Drive. So open this link and click on download. Now over here on the top right here, you can see the download option. So click on download over here on the top right. Now once the file is downloaded, click on it and then you will see the install option. So click on install and let the installation complete. Once this is done, you can go ahead and open Teams. And then you can go ahead and log in and that should fix the error message. Now, in case if nothing is working, you can go ahead and update Windows using media creation tools. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now. And once the download is complete, run this exe file. Then you will see the screen. Click on accept. And then by default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next and then select ISO file. Click on next and then save the file to desktop. Click on save. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop. Now over here you can see Windows ISO file. Make a double click on Windows ISO file. Then make a double click on setup file. This will open Windows 11 now. Now by default Windows 11 would be selected over here and here you can see install Windows 11. Click on next and it will go ahead and check for update. Now this process will take some time. So let the process complete. Now before the installation you will see the screen which says ready to install and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now, when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So you can go ahead and click on install. Now, after the installation, open this chat window and you should not receive that error message anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.